Good morning. So I thought I'd show you a quick look around what's been happening, what we've been doing, and also I'm going to try and look for a guttering clip as Dom's bought some from B&Q this morning, but we haven't got enough. So I'm just going to have a search around, so I thought I'd show you around as well at the same time. So yesterday and the day before I was doing Back Beach. Show you around. So it's all now painted, done. So this is one room that is now completed. So all the walls, Don has rendered them, I've sealed them and painted them all red. All the gravel's done, all the doors are done, some of my clothes for selling are in here. This chair here I'm going to swap out with another chair that we've got. Doors, cladding, everything. So one part of the stable blocks is finally completed. It's amazing. So today we went to the car boot this morning as well. Bought a couple of statues, and I'll just show you my little otter that I bought as well. Little stone otter. First ornament that's going to be in here. So have a look at it now. And I'll show you again in a few weeks once it's filled up with all my bits and pieces. So while we're here, I'm just going to have a quick look for a gutter clip. Must be one lying around somewhere. No gutter clips so far, but we'll have another look. I'll just show you what's the next bit of work for me to do. Ta-da! All of these walls need sealing. Big job. Hopefully get started today. So there is about 11 of these bays to do. Now I've pushed all the gravel back, cut all the damp-proof coursing away, so they're all ready to seal, and then going to paint. So these walls are going to be cream and possibly red on the end there. So another major thing. So I've had to move everything to the other side. So I did that last night. So everything's been moved over. And then once that's done, we can start putting stuff in there as well. So I'm still on the hunt for gutter clip. And here it's gone a little bit darker in here now. So this is the workshop area, part of the old hay barn. And all of the woodwork's done. And the plywood's up. So Don has created a mezzanine area, which I will show you while looking for a gutter clip. Right, up there, that's now a little mezzanine storage area. It's not much headroom, but it's absolutely fine. We can put stuff in there. Let's just have a look out here, see if we can find one. I think he only needs one. So everywhere's just looking a bit untidy, but that's what you get when you're doing building work. Create a mess everywhere. All can be tidied up another day. No. So I'll go around and show you. Oh, there he is. I can't find one anywhere.
Hey?
Can't find one anywhere.
I was just looking in here.
Yeah.
Just one or what?
Typical, isn't it? Go and show you what he needs them for.
Hey?
Up here, this is fantastic. The toilet room now has a roof. The roof is completed. Right, I'm going to bring you back over here. Hopefully you can see it. I think we're going to call it the turret because it looks like a little bit of a turret sticking out on the end of the hay barn. Right, I'll show you. In here, floor's done, walls are done. These just need cleaning off a little bit on the woodwork. Door is done. Closes. Walls need rendering. Then obviously toilet needs to go in, and the sink and hand wash basin. Windows in. So we've got the roof on. So we've got clear perspex in the middle, just because it's light, so we might as well use the daylight. And then up here on these sections and the back section here is Cybercement roofing sheets, the big 6 profile ones, to give it some rigidity and structure. So that's really good. So the idea is toilet hand wash basin with hot water, just one of those hot little water on the wall ones, probably a mirror on this bit here where you've got no writing on the wood, my little cubby hole to put all the cleaning products in, etc. This here, this bit here is the door to go through to the mezzanine. Now we'll walk you through. Now you can see the floors, all the plywood's in, it needs screwing down on one little fillet, I believe, needs to be done. But this is a massive, massive area now for storing. Where is he? There he is. Oh, you found one. Well done. Where did you find it?
Under there.
Ah, I knew we had one somewhere. So this is the mezzanine. Right, that's part of the clear plastic roofing sheets that we use for cladding the outside of the barn, and thank God we did that because it's now letting loads and loads of light. So a lot of this roof above me has been repaired. All the end timbers had to be replaced because they were all rotten. And then that's that cubby hole bit, so Don's double clad it and put some insulation in as well. And then possibly, when my legs are dangling here, put a couple of planks up as well, just use that for storing wood. So the idea is this bit of plywood here that you can see is going to be knocked through, knocked down, and there's a little bit of a breeze block wall which was part of the original hay barn, and then we built that extension onto it. Yeah, so you can see Layla, all that wood there on that scaffolding behind Leyland will be moved so Leyland can actually fit in to the barn. We collect a lot. We have a lot of stuff lying around all the time, so it's really good to have this space just to store it, because it all comes in handy. And most of the wood that we've had, we've used loads and loads of it, so we're pretty much nearly out of wood, strangely. I think, yeah, the plywood, we've got about 3 sheets left of the plywood that we got from a guy called Paul, who was extremely helpful, aka Plywood Paul. So he was been great. So that's been really, really helpful. So the plan for today for me is to seal those concrete walls along Long Beach with the PVA glue mixture, just to seal them in. And then hopefully Wednesday, my next day off, it's Bank Holiday Monday today, working tomorrow, don't work Wednesdays, and then hopefully on Wednesday I can start painting the walls, which would be great. Don's just fixing a bit of guttering up on the end of the turret. Just a temporary job at the moment. He's just going to have a long piece so all the water gushes away and out. So yeah, just a little bit of an update, what we've been up to. Had a nice walk around the car boot this morning at Abbots Kerswell Cricket Club. Like I said, I bought the otter. What else did I buy? A couple of pairs of shorts, some handbags, because I don't need any more of those. But no books, that was good. And nothing to sell, so that was good. So yeah, okay, I hope you've enjoyed the little update. Thank you for those who have been watching and subscribing, we really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoy watching what we've been doing, and yeah, we'll see you again soon. Bye.